Hello guys, so I just got home and I decided to show to you the things that I just bought recently. They are not purchased all at once, but I just want to share it with you guys. I love doing unboxing, and if you're interested, then please keep on watching. We've got here our first bag. First one is I've placed two items in there. This is not the original bag, but I want to transfer them to a more fancier bag. So the first one is this. Let me just grab it for you guys. So I bought coasters. So these coasters are pre-loved, which I got it from Facebook Market. So most of the time, I am very lucky getting stuff there pre-loved but in a pristine condition. This one too, in the picture when I saw it, it looks pretty and in excellent condition. But when I got it, it's just disappointing that I am seeing watermarks over there. So this is not from me, it's from the previous owner, and it's pretty gross and I don't know how to clean it, but I can't return this anymore. So this is what I got, 3 coasters. And then there's another one inside this bag. So what's funny about is it's not funny. So the story about this one right here is I've already unboxed this in one of my video, which I believe probably you haven't seen it, so might as well do it twice, right? So we've got here this clip from Balmain. So I don't know, I just feel like I want to buy it, so I bought it. And it is really pretty clip. It's color black, and it's large size, but unfortunately I thought it is true to size large, but it's not true to size because it can't even clip my entire hair when I want it up. So that's the sad part about it, but it's really pretty. It's not really a regret purchasing it. It's just a bit disappointing because I'm expecting bigger than this. So as you can see, it is cute. It can only clip like a little bit of hair, like just part of it, but not the entire hair. You can, unfortunately, I hope they have extra large. Maybe the extra large is, yeah, that's the large one. That's the one I need. But for now, this will do. I'm happy. That's the second one. I still have a couple of bags here, 2 more bags with random stuff. So let's dive in. The next one is this bag right here. So this is with the brand Chanel. So I've got perfume from them. This was given to me as a gift, so thank you so much. Let me just put this bag right here. So I've opened this morning, and I don't like what I saw, but I did like it when I smell. I never thought that I would like any scents from Chanel perfume lines, because honestly guys, this perfume right here, I've bought this maybe 3 years ago, and as you can see, it's still full. Therefore, I really don't like the smell of it. I just don't like the smell of it. I got it from where did I got it? I got it from Sephora, and it's untouched, so I just don't like it. But this one right here smells really fresh. I like it, so I am keeping this. While this pink right here, I'm convincing my friend to exchange it, or barter exchange it with some of her perfumes, because she got a lot, so we shall see. Okay, so the last bag is this one right here. So I met my friend Rodessa and Winnie today in downtown, and we went have grabbed some dinner, and I've decided to check some stuff. So we went to Miniso, and then I got 2 items from Miniso. I feel like I'm so washed out. Wait, let me just grab where was it? Okay, so the first item is this one right here. So this is a hand cream, because at the bank where I work, my hand is pretty dry there because we keep washing our hand, and then it's really drying, so we need hand cream. So that's why I got some. If you watch my vlog in LA, I've shown this what wipes or makeup remover, and since I like it, so I bought another one here in San Francisco because I don't wash my face at night. And what else? So we've got here some goodies. So we have sample perfumes from Diptyque. So wait, let me just show it to you. She gave me how many perfumes? Okay, she gave me 4 samples. 4 samples. So we have the Tam Dao. We've got here the Dawson. Winnie really likes Dawson. And then we've got here the, what is this? I don't know. We've got one right here. And the last one is the Orpheon Parfum. So those are sample. Good. I really did ask her to give me some samples in case like I wanna buy more from them. And then this one is the one I got from Diptyque. This is not cheap, so there you go. Should I open it now? Maybe later. It's the Rose Diptyque. I'll be showing around the screen how the bottle would look like. So there you go. I've got perfume from them. Is it a splurge? I think so, but I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about it for a couple of days, and now since I've already I'm so honest, I've already paid my credit card, so time to swipe. There you go. So that's the last item I've got today in downtown, and those are the things that I've just acquired recently. This one right here, the Diptyque, is, I don't know if it's a splurge, but I bought it and I'm not regretting it, but it's a very expensive perfume. I like another perfume. It's called it's Rouge Baccarat, but I forgot Mason something, but it's like $400. So I think I can justify $200 rather than like buying a $400 perfume, and when I read the review it says it's not long lasting. So I guess this one, let me just try this one. And then this is the, out of all of these items that I've shown you today, this is the most expensive one, and then followed by this hair clip right here, because you know you can buy a lot of cheap hair clips around, like in a different brand, a cheaper affordable price, but since this one has a brand name, so that's why I'm paying like 160. That includes the tax, so it's still expensive for a hair, just for a hair clip. And they said it's large, but then when I received it, it looks like the size is not really large. It's like medium to me or small. So but I'm happy. That's why I didn't return it, because it's really pretty, and it says it's 18K gold plated logo, so maybe that's why it's very expensive. So there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comment box section if you try this perfume right here, Diptyque, and what scent you got, and out of all of their scent available, which one is your favorite? So let me know in the comment box section, and I'm gonna go for now. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next post, guys. Bye.